Hi there, I'm WTOL 11 Chief Meteorologist Chris Vickers. So great to be along with you here on WTOL 11 Plus, where we have a colder, wintry feel that has really settled into the area. Thicker clouds rolling back in, and yes, there's some occasional light snow showers and a gusty, cool breeze. That just cuts right to the bone. West-northwest winds 24 miles per hour, still gusting 35 to 40 miles per hour across much of the area. That's going to keep us mid to upper 20s to right around 30 degrees as we go into the afternoon high today. So we're going to trend toward 30 degrees, some occasional flurries or light snow showers that will taper off as we go into the evening tonight. Clearing skies for some will drop us back into the 20s, low 20s will be expected. Could even get some upper teens as we get into our Friday morning. Weekend outlook, if you're thinking, I just need a little warmer weather, should be able to accommodate that into the weekend. Breezy with some sun returning on Saturday, 37 degrees. We're at least going to make it above freezing. And on Sunday, you need a much warmer day. Chance to maybe get those holiday decorations resituated after the winds messed with things. It is still going to be windy on Sunday, so heads up to that, but much warmer conditions. Highs will go through the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. Lake effect snow machine, it is still cranking through and into our Thursday afternoon. Coming off of Lake Michigan, some heavier lake effect squalls, and look at that over toward western Lake Michigan. I'll talk about some alerts that are still active over there coming up in a few moments. And east of Cleveland, more heavier snow that is showing up off of Lake Erie. Look toward Kalamazoo, though. That is a heavy band of lake effect snow. Typically, that only leads to flurries or light snow showers here in northwest Ohio. Now, as that Alberta Clipper came into the area on Wednesday evening, we actually had an unusual thing that occurred. Snow squall warnings were issued across a decent portion of our viewing area. And at this point, this Thursday afternoon, we're not monitoring any of those snow squalls, although there are heavier bands of lake effect snow coming off of Lake Michigan. Flurries or light snow showers here in northwest Ohio. Chance we may get just a minor coating or dusting west of Toledo, and nothing that is going to be of a significant accumulation. A little more sensitive version of Doppler radar. Occasional passing snow flurries that are going to be on and off into the early afternoon. How about winter weather alerts? And I know there's a lot going on this map, but winter storm warnings in effect for the UP of Michigan, all of western Michigan down into northern Indiana, and that is buffered by a winter weather advisory. Look at this, though, a blizzard warning that's in effect for the mountains of West Virginia. Winter storm warnings up into Pennsylvania and upstate New York. Lake effect snow warnings that are in effect for eastern parts of Ohio, western Pennsylvania, and western New York. And you're thinking, yeah, here we go again. How about this? Look close. That is a blizzard warning that is active in Erie County, Pennsylvania. That is until Saturday at 1 p.m. The concern is not only heavy snow, but lake effect snow, blowing and drifting of snow. And along I-90 here in Erie County, there could be winds up to 60 miles per hour. And remember, they already have 5 feet of snow that has fallen just over the past week. More snow that's going to be falling and very treacherous travel. So I'll caution you, east of Cleveland, travel is not going to be advised at this point coming off of Lake Erie as some severe winter weather is still unfolding. Here locally, though, we don't have any active alerts across our area. We are free of any travel trouble spots outside of a few slippery areas in some occasional passing light snow showers. It's cold feel, though, right around the 20s, mid-20s through the afternoon. Highs will eventually head toward 30 degrees. Winds gusting, though, 35 to 40 miles per hour, and have had some reports of isolated power outages due to the high winds that came through with that strong Alberta Clipper. Now, if you're thinking of getting in the holiday spirit, tonight, lights before Christmas at the Toledo Zoo. Count on it being in the 20s, mostly cloudy skies and a cold breeze. West-northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour will gust up to 30. May start the evening close to 30 degrees. A flurry or two is possible. Then we'll dip back into the upper 20s, and a way to really get into the holiday spirit out at the Toledo Zoo for lights before Christmas. Now, hour by hour forecast. We do have some occasional light flurries or snow showers. Minor accumulations under any of these snow showers possible. Really less than a half an inch would be anticipated, but that will continue on and off through our Thursday afternoon into the evening. Likely to dry out as we go through dark tonight. Those snow showers will be tapering off on a chilly feeling evening. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies overnight tonight. Very likely we are dry tonight, even with some clouds rolling back into Friday morning. Likely to stay dry with a cloudy and chilly start to our Friday. Friday afternoon, breezy again. Some afternoon sunshine should put our highs right around the lower 30s as we go into Friday afternoon. Now, mentioned any additional snow accumulation. It is generally going to be a very light dusting to less than a half an inch, but it is possible some minor snow accumulations, and we're talking just a little bit, could create some slippery spots on area roadways. For our Thursday, cold, windy, a few flurries or light snow showers, right around 30 degrees for the afternoon high. Look at the winds, though. West winds 15 to 25, still gusting 35 to 40 into the afternoon. And just be advised, any untreated road surfaces, they may remain a bit slippery. Extended 10-day forecast. We're looking at temperatures right around 30 degrees as we go into Thursday and Friday. Saturday, Sunday, upper 30s to near 40 degrees and a breezy outlook into Sunday. Winds will pick up and they're going to could gust up to about 40 miles per hour on Sunday, and our extended forecast, it is going to be indicating that we're looking at conditions that are going to be above average as we go into the middle and end of December. May take a turn toward considerably warmer weather that will be showing up just beyond our 10-day forecast. Appreciate you joining us here on WTOL 11 Plus. Always get that forecast on the free WTOL 11 weather app and live on WTOL 11. Have a great one.